Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that cause disease in animals. 7, including the new virus, have made the jump to humans, but most just cause cold-like symptoms. 2 other coronaviruses, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS), are a lot more severe, having killed over 1,500 people between them since 2002. The new virus, officially called COVID-19, is also dangerous. Up to now, around 20% of confirmed cases have been classed as severe or critical. About 15 to 20% of hospital cases have been classed as severe, and the current death rate varies between 0.7% and 3.4% depending on the location and access to good hospital care. This is much lower than fatality rates for MERS, 30%, and SARS, 10%, but still a significant threat. Scientists in China believe that COVID-19 has mutated into 2 strains, one more aggressive than the other, which could make developing a vaccine very complicated. The source of the coronavirus is believed to be a wet market in Wuhan, which sold both dead and live animals including fish and birds. These markets pose a heightened risk of viruses jumping from animals to humans because hygiene standards are very difficult to maintain if live animals are being kept and slaughtered on site. The animal source of the latest outbreak has not yet been identified, but the original host is thought to be bats. Bats were not sold at the Wuhan market but may have infected live chickens or other animals sold there. The symptoms of coronavirus are a cough, a high temperature, shortness of breath. But these symptoms do not necessarily mean you have the illness. The symptoms are similar to other illnesses that are much more common, such as cold and flu. Because it's a new illness, we do not know exactly how coronavirus spreads from person to person. Similar viruses are spread in cough droplets. It's very unlikely it can be spread through things like packages or food. Simple measures like washing your hands often with soap and water can help stop viruses like coronavirus spreading. Wash your hands with soap and water often. Do this for at least 20 seconds. Always wash your hands when you get home or into work. Use hand sanitizer gel if soap and water are not available. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your sleeve, not your hands, when you cough or sneeze. Put used tissues in the bin straight away and wash your hands afterwards. Try to avoid close contact with people who are unwell. Do not touch your eyes, nose or mouth if your hands are not clean. There's no specific treatment for coronavirus. Antibiotics do not help, as they do not work against viruses. Treatment aims to relieve the symptoms while your body fights the illness. You'll need to stay in isolation away from other people until you've recovered. I hope this has helped you understand the coronavirus a little more. Good luck, and stay safe.